Ethics of communication. What is ethical communication? Ethical communication is fundamental to responsible thinking, decision making, and the development of relationships and communities within and across context, culture, channels, and media. Communication Code of Ethics. All relevant communication, this principle emphasizes the importance of providing complete and relevant information, truthfulness in every sense, and not deceptive in any way. This principle stresses the importance of honesty and transparency in communication, accuracy and sincerity, avoiding language that manipulates, discriminates, exaggerates. This principle emphasizes the importance of using clear and accurate language that avoid manipulation, discrimination, or exaggeration. Fair presentation of ideas. This principle emphasizes the importance of presenting ideas fairly and objectively without bias or prejudice. Ethics of communication. A foundation for trust and respect. What is ethics in communication? Ethics in communication refers to the moral principles and values that guide our communication behavior. It encompasses how we interact with others, the message we convey, and the impact of the communication, individual and society. Think of it as a set guidelines that help us communicate in a way that is honest, respectful, and fair. The importance of ethical communication. Why is ethics important? Ethical communication is crucial because it builds trust and respect in relationships, promotes a positive and productive communication environment, and ensures fairness and equity in communication. When we communicate ethically, we create a foundation of understanding, collaboration, and mutual respect. Key principles of ethical communication. Principles of ethical communication. Honesty and truthfulness. This principle emphasizes the importance of being truthful and transparent in communication. It involves avoiding deception and presenting information accurately. Example, when writing a report, it is important to cite your source accurately and avoid making false claims. Respect for others. This principle emphasizes the importance of treating others with respect regardless of their background, beliefs, or opinion. It involves listening attentively, avoiding offensive language, and valuing diverse perspectives. Example, when engaging in a discussion, it is important to listen to others' viewpoints respectfully even if you disagree with them. Fairness and equity. This principle emphasizes the importance of promoting fairness and equity in communication by ensuring that all individuals have equal opportunities to participate in the communication process and have their voice heard. Example, in a meeting, it is important to give everyone a chance to share their thoughts and ideas and to avoid dominating the conversation. Responsibility and accountability. This principle emphasizes the importance of taking responsibility for the impact of our message and being accountable for our action. This involves acknowledge potential harm, correcting error, and seeking to repair and damage caused by unethical communication. Example, if you realize that a message you sent has caused harm, it is important to apologize and take steps to correct the situation. Clarity and accuracy. This principle emphasizes the importance of communicating clearly and accurately, ensuring that messages are understood as intended. This involves using language that is appropriate for the audience, avoiding jargon, and providing sufficient context. Example, when writing an email, it is important to use clear and concise language that is easy to understand. Purposefulness and relevance. This principle emphasizes the importance of ensuring that communication is purposeful and relevant to the situation. It involves considering the goals of the communication, tailoring the message to the audience, and avoiding irrelevant or extraneous information. Example, when giving a presentation, it is important to focus on the key points and avoid going off on tangents.
Ethical dilemmas in communication.
Navigating ethical challenges. Ethical dilemmas arise when we face situations where different ethical principles conflict. Example of common ethical dilemmas include truth versus deception, balancing the need for honesty with the potential consequences of revealing sensitive information. Privacy versus transparency. This dilemma involves determining the appropriate level of disclosure while respecting individuals' privacy rights. Example, a journalist might have to decide whether to publish information that could harm someone's reputation even if it is true. Free speech versus harmful communication. This dilemma involves navigating the limits of free speech in a way that respects the right of others and prevents harm. Example, a social media platform might have to decide whether to remove a post that is offensive or hateful, even if it is protected by free speech. Professional communication ethics. This dilemma involves applying ethical principles to professional contexts like journalism, public relations, advertising, and social media. Example, an advertising agency might have to decide whether to create an ad that is misleading or deceptive even if it's effective. Consequences of unethical communication. Damage to relationships. Unethical communication can erode trust, damage relationships, and create conflict. Example, spreading rumors or gossip about a coworker can damage your relationship with them and create the hostile work environment. Loss of reputation. Individuals and organizations can suffer reputational damage from unethical communication practice. Example, a company that engages in deceptive advertising or misleading marketing practice can lose the trust of these customers and suffer decline in sales.
Legal consequences.
Promoting ethical communication. Creating a culture of ethical communication. Promoting ethical communication is a collective effort that requires individual, organization, and society as a whole to work together. Here are some key strategies: developing ethical frameworks, creating clear guidelines and principles for ethical communication in various contexts. Ethical training and education, providing training and education to individuals and organizations on ethical communication practice. Encouraging open dialogue, fostering an environment where ethical concerns can be openly discussed and addressed. Holding individuals and organizations accountable, implementing mechanism to hold individuals and organizations accountable for their communication behaviors. The power of ethical communication. Ethical communication is essential for building trust, fostering respect, and creating a positive communication environment. By upholding ethical principles, we can contribute to a more just and equitable society. Make a difference. Think critically about your communication behaviors. Strive to communicate honestly, respectfully, and responsibly. Advocate for ethical communication practices in your personal and professional life.